from LearnerTube. So today we are going to test speed test CLI utility on both CentOS as well as Ubuntu. So this utility helps us to identify your internet speed. Okay, so let's get started. So I have two sessions open here in my terminal. So in the first terminal, let me see what is the OS. Let me execute the command /etc os -release, and there is a CentOS. Let me go to the next tab and execute the same command. And this is a Ubuntu. Okay, let's get back to the first tab, and to install this you can use either default repositories, repository details you can get it uh, from the internet, and here I'm going to show you the Python method to install this. So to install this you need to have the pip installed. Okay, I have different releases of pip already installed in my server, so I'm going to use a pip3 install speed test CLI and hit enter. So speed test CLI is installed here, and let me perform the speed test. You need to just type speed test and then hit enter, and now it has identified that my ISP is ACK500, and now it has started performing the download speed, and it has completed. My download speed is 19.05 Mbps. Now it is testing my upload speed. Upload speed comes to 20.07 Mbps. So let me install the speed test CLI on Ubuntu. I'm back to Ubuntu server, and in this I'm going to use default package manager, which is apt sudo apt get install speed test CLI, hit enter. It's processing. Okay, yes, install. So let me type speed test again and hit enter. Here again it has fetched all the necessary details. Now it has started performing speed test for the download speed. And by the way, you can also install the speed test in Ubuntu using the pip. Okay, download results are 18.07 Mbps and upload is 20.5. Okay, so as you can see, results are identical. There is a 1 Mbps difference. It depends on your ISP speed, how it is oscillating and all. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to LearnerTube. Thank you.